So for this tutorial I'm using 3 shades of pink. It's dark pink, light and medium pink, and 7mm crochet hook, which is a bigger hook than the usual one. We'll get started right away. So I'm gonna make a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 3. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the first chain from the hook, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and that's it. This is the first row of the triangle. So single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. We're gonna change color. We change color every 1 row, or it's up to you if you want to do it every 2 rows or no change color at all. So I'll leave the thread on the side. I'll join the new one with the loop, and I'm gonna chain 2, 1 and 2. So I'm gonna carry this light pink with me to hide it through the work, and I'm gonna leave the dark pink behind. Make sure they are not loose. So in the previous chain 1 space, which is single crochet, chain 1, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and in the same space 1 single crochet, chain 1. So this is the increase of the triangle in every row. So every starting row will be chain 2, single crochet in the first space, which is the previous chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 in every beginning of the row. Later on, what we have is the corner. So in the corner I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, always in every row, in every corner. Now chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the beginning space, the initial one. So this is how it looks like so far. Oops. Now I'm not going to change the color, but you have to change the color with the dark medium pink. We'll continue the same to show you the next row. So chain 2, beginning of the chain 1 space, which is this one. This is a single crochet, and this is chain 1 space. So single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So this is the increase, the beginning of the row. The next one, single crochet, chain 1. Now in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1. Now in the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, and we have this double single crochet in the beginning, inside single crochet, chain 1, and the chain 2 space, single crochet, and that's it. This is how it looks so far. So I'm gonna continue the same for 68 rows or more if you wish. For this pattern I have made 68 rows for the shawl. If you want to make it bigger, then you can add up to 80 rows. And this is the only thing you need to know about this shawl. So I'm gonna show you the finished product, the finished shawl, how it looks like with the color change. So just one thing, because I didn't cut the thread, so I carried it along in every row. What I did, I tried to make it as aligned and as straight as possible so it looks neat, and I left it like this. So this is how it looks whenever you carry the yarn with you from row to row. And this is how all looks like at the end. I hope the tutorial was clear and you found it helpful. Don't forget to look at the written pattern for more details, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.